Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix entire lobby muted glitch. So basically everybody is just muted, and whatever you do you can't unmute them. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is go over to the bottom left where it does say voice all lobby muted. Click on it and then make sure proximity chat, this doesn't really matter, but just make sure that uh who you can interact with via voice chat, and just make sure that this is select to all lobby. And once you're in the game itself, like let's just go ahead and start a random game, for example. And once we find a match, I could show you, but we just have to wait a bit. In the meantime, you guys can go over to audio, go to voice chat, and make sure that voice chat is set to either 50 or just not set to 0 and it's turned on. Now, once you actually do get into the game, what you want to do is click on voice. You want to voice lobby, and then you want to hit unmute all. And then from here, once you click on it, everybody should be unmuted and you guys should be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.